this video, we will explore the Transpose Master, a useful built-in plugin that's smoothly integrated into the software. This plugin allows us to easily position a complex model with multiple subtools in just one simple step. It operates by creating a separate tool that consolidates all the subtools into a unified low-resolution mesh, which is then conveniently made available for straightforward and efficient editing using the standard transpose tools. Once we've completed the positioning, we can let ZBrush effortlessly apply the pose changes to the individual subtools with just a single click. To illustrate this process, let's go to the top menu, open the Plugins section, and then choose the Transpose Master sub-palette. Next, we activate the T-Pose Mesh button to generate a combined mesh of all the subtools. Then, we can use standard transpose tools to edit the combined mesh. Positioning with the 3D gizmo would be equally effective. Once we are finished, we will return to the plugin menu and navigate to the Transpose Master subpalette to transfer our adjustments onto the original 3D model. Here, we'll click the T-Pose Mesh to Subtools button. And that's how we have easily learned to edit multiple subtools simultaneously. In the next video, we'll explore the Gizmo 3D tool.